Hi y'all, so today we are going to be doing something simple and something that will impress your friends and family. We are doing Hasselback potatoes. For this we got some potatoes, we got some rosemary, thyme, butter, garlic, and salt. Like I said, keep it stupid, keep it simple. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. So we're going to simply start with our potatoes. We're going to slice a small piece of the bottom off so it sits flat. Now if you have 2 chopsticks, that works really well. But you can use 2 wooden spoons, like so. This will keep us from cutting all the way through. And you want to go about every 1/4 inch. Eighth inch to a 1/4 inch. Alright, so once we got them sliced, we got them on a baking sheet with a little bit of parchment paper. You can use your butter. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil. But if you want, melt some butter and just brush it on. Once we have them coated in a little bit of olive oil, we have our oven preheated to 425. We're going to throw them in there for about 30 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. So while our potatoes are cooking, we've gone ahead and melted a stick of butter. We're going to take some of our fresh rosemary. And we're going to finely chop this up. However much or however little you want. I'm probably going to do a little more myself. We're going to add this to our butter. We're going to take some of our thyme and do the same exact thing. We're going to take a teaspoon of garlic, or however much or little you want. Then we're going to go ahead and give this a good mix. Now we're going to let this sit until we're ready for our potatoes. Alright y'all. So after 30 minutes we're going to take our butter. And we're going to brush this on. You want to try to get it down in the cuts as well. Once we have them well coated and we got butter down in the slits, we're going to go ahead and hit them with a little bit of salt. And now we're going to put these back in the oven at 425 still for another 30 minutes. At that point I'll bring you back. Hi y'all. Been another 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and brush on a little more butter. Just one last go of it. Once we get the rest of our butter brushed on, we can go ahead and serve these up. Alright y'all, and there we have them, Hasselback potatoes. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video where YouTube thinks you should watch it. Until next time, keep on cooking on.